Good evening, students. In the last class, we have discussed about what is file, types of files in Python, and what are the different kind of operations we can perform on the file. And we also discuss the syntax of the open function. So today we are going to discuss about more about this open function and read function and write function. Now let me save this file. Save as. So let me save it in my desktop. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, first I will show some of the basic functionality. So file equal to open. So what is the file I want to open? csv.txt. I already told you, when you want to open the file under read mode argument is optional. Mode argument is optional. Mode argument is optional. Then what I want to do is I just want to read the data. Okay. Now print file dot read. So once my job is over, I will close the file. I will close the file. Now run module. Yeah. The content, everything has been read from the csv.txt, right? So with the help of the read, you can read the complete content in the file. Complete content in the file. So what is happened with the help of this? You can read the complete content of the file. Now the same one I am doing it in a different way. So let me comment this. Now I will pass the argument. I will pass the argument now. For the read function, I will pass 1. Now run module. So the first character has been displayed. Now if you make it as 2, the first 2 characters in the file will be displayed. If you mention the 3, the first 3 characters will be displayed. Right? Now if you mention the n, means the first n characters will be displayed. Now let us assume that I have passed -1. Now when I pass the -1, what is happened? It just displayed the complete content in the file. Complete content in the file. -1, if I pass the -1, what is happened? The complete content is gets displayed. Complete content is get displayed. Now for example, I have mentioned 10,000 characters, 1 lakh characters, but 1 lakh characters are not there. Let's see what happened. It display all the content up to whatever is available. It is going to display. You can pass as much number whatever you required, whatever is available, that will be displayed. It's not about the n value. You can pass any positive n value, whatever is available, based on which it is going to display. For example, here you mentioned the 20, then first 20 characters will be displayed. This is what first 20 characters will be displayed. So this is what is about read function. Now so let me do it differently. The same read function I will call 3 times. Save it. Now run module thi. Here you have to understand one thing. The moment you call the read function, the pointer will be shifted to the next location. The pointer will be shifted to the what? Next location. Now you make it 2. Now first character will be displayed, then whatever the next character is there, the will be displayed. Like that it will proceed. See, you got it? So that is how it is going to display. For example, here you mentioned as a 20 characters. Then see. So for the read of one, T is displayed. The read of next one, H is displayed. The read of one of third function call, I is displayed. Then after you call the what? Read of 20, the 20 characters are displayed. The 20 characters are displayed. That is what is about read function. Read function. Now you can also have the read line function in Python. File dot read line. Let me save this. Then it will print the first line in the file. Now if the same function if you call twice, then the first line and the second line will be displayed. Now see, two lines are displayed. Now if you call it for third time, first three lines are displayed. See, first three lines in the file will be displayed. Now sir, I want to read all the lines. You want to read all lines. Then you can use print file dot read lines. File dot read lines. Run module. See, it will be displayed as a list. It will be displayed as a what? List. It will be displayed as a what? List. Still, if you have a doubt, you can store the result in one variable. Then just print the what is the type of the A. What is the type of the A? Now see, it is going to be list. Right? So the read lines will read all the lines and it is going to store under a list. No matter how many lines are there, it is going to be stored in list. It is going to be stored in list. So once it is stored in the list, if you want to access one by one, yes, you can run the loop. Then after you can print the individual line. See, got it? So that is what. Clear? Now the same I am going to print the content in the entire file with the help of the read line by writing the loop. See, so initially I am going to take one variable temp equal to file dot read line, file dot read line. Then while temp is not none, then what I am going to do, simply I will print the temp, then temp equal to file dot read line, file dot read line. Now run it. See, all the content has been displayed. Then after it goes for what? Infinite loop. Now here we understood one thing. So when we are writing in the loop, what is happen? So it leads to what? Infinite loop. It leads to what? Infinite loop. That means there is a thing we have to adjust in the code. Now let me open my file. Yes, F2. Now here, so what I am going to do is, now see, right? So what is happen? Once everything is over, definitely it is going to give the what? Space. Definitely it is going to give the what? Space. So whenever it reaches the space, then there were no more lines, means it just stop it. It just stop it. Or else, what else you can do is here len of temp greater than 0, then run the loop. Now run module. See, when there were no more lines are there, it just came out from the loop, and then it will close the file, and then it will close the file. So this is what is about what readlines function. Readlines function.